Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. Fresh in stock, we do have the fantastic 2022 model Volkswagen Polo MK6 Facelift R-Line that does come with 110 PS and just one previous owner. It is also complemented by the gorgeous pearlescent deep black exterior. Along with your 1 litre petrol engine, it is the ideal nippy city upgrade for any individual with your efficient automatic transmission for a much smoother ride. It does also come with plenty of top features all round, including your automatic headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do also have your 16-inch alloys along with your parking sensors for those tighter spots. Your wing mirrors do come power folded and heated for added protection, along with a spacious boot area to house all your day-to-day items with an extra storage pocket below for your spare wheel and tools. Step into absolute comfort with your art velour cloth trim with an added stylish pattern with plenty of leg space just below. Inside your front interior, you do have access to your R-Line multifunctional sports steering wheel for driver convenience, alongside your digital cockpit pro and central touch display to provide full entertainment all round. Your front sport comfort seats do also come with your stylish R-Line embroidered badging. To seamlessly navigate around your vehicle, you do have your mounted audio controls with access to your adaptive cruise control and speed limiter features, alongside your controls to navigate around your digital cockpit screen. As you can see, you do have a wide display of your built-in navigation system alongside your audio controls, including a wide selection of radio stations and of course all your driving data. Moving across into your central touch display screen, you do have a wide selection of radio stations to keep you and your travelling passengers entertained, especially on those longer trips, alongside your wireless app connect, including your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do even have your built-in navigation system as previously shown on your cockpit screen, so you can quite easily get around those unfamiliar areas. You do also have your vehicle information stored on here as well to keep the vehicle in top check, alongside safety features including your IQ drive and of course your front and rear parking sensors when you do pop the car into reverse. For that personalised feel, you do also have access to your user profile selection, followed by a dual climate control for a more preferred temperature. You do even have your charging ports located just below to keep any devices fully charged on the go, followed by your handy cup holders and a small storage pocket below your armrest. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. So if you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 061 885 3994 or inquire online now.